from Gorilla Glue. Today I'm going to show you how to use Gorilla Clear Grip. Gorilla Clear Grip is a crystal clear contact adhesive that can be used on a variety of surfaces indoor and out. It's 100% waterproof, provides a permanent flexible bond, and holds in just seconds. The no-run formula makes projects and repairs easy. Clear Grip is also washer and dryer safe. The clear, flexible glue makes it ideal for bonding metal, glass, fabric, wood, ceramic, leather, paper, and more. Even photos. Before starting your project, make sure all surfaces you are working with are clean and free of dirt, grease, and oil. Apply adhesive to each surface you are bonding. To maximize the bond strength, wait approximately 2 minutes for the adhesive to partially dry. This is important because Clear Grip gets its strength from the solvent evaporation from each side of your project. Finally, press the surfaces firmly together. Even though the glue bonds immediately, allow 24 hours for a full cure. If cleanup is necessary, wipe the uncured adhesive with a dry cloth and clean with acetone. If it's cured, it can be scraped off the surface. After you've finished your project, wipe the nozzle with a dry cloth and tightly replace the cap. Store it in a cool, dry place. Thanks for watching. Check back for more Gorilla Tough tips and other project ideas.
This is a demonstration for the proper application of Fiebing's Leathercraft cement, which is a high-strength bonding cement for all leathers. Non-flammable, non-toxic, and quick drying. Leathercraft cement can be applied directly from the bottle nozzle or applied with a brush for detailed applications, such as on applique and small pieces. For this demo, we used a dry, clean, carved, stained, and finished leather bookmark and a cutout leather letter. Shake the bottle of Leathercraft cement and then squeeze small drops of it onto one piece of your leather item. Then brush it around using a brush to spread it evenly over the surface. While the cement is still wet, place the coated piece to the second piece of leather. You can move it a bit so the placement is exactly how you want it, because any smudged cement will dry clear and be very difficult to see. Apply pressure to the two pieces of leather for 30 to 60 seconds until it has time to dry and bond. Once bonded, it will hold forever. You can also apply the leather cement to both surfaces that you wish to bond together. It can work well with cloth, canvas, and fabrics that you want to bond with leather. A purse lining is a great example of such a situation. That is how you properly use Fiebing's Leathercraft cement.
Hi, I'm Josh from Gorilla Glue. Today I'm going to show you how to use Gorilla Super Glue. The high strength and quick set time of Gorilla Super Glue make it the go-to adhesive for a variety of household projects. Developed for long-lasting repairs in an instant, Gorilla Super Glue is designed with an impact-tough formula to handle bumps and drops with a strong, reliable bond. Gorilla Super Glue is available in 6 different forms. Our original liquid formula, a thick and controlled gel formula that works great on vertical surfaces, brush and nozzle, which allows you to apply glue either through a precision tip nozzle or a fine bristle brush, and precise gel, which combines a precision tip with the control gel formula. Micro Precise, which is a precise dispensing tool designed to fit comfortably in hand, and last but not least, our intuitive pin-shaped applicator that dispenses glue in an uninterrupted line while applying little pressure. All varieties come with an anti-clog cap that keeps glue from drying out, and they are versatile enough to bond plastic, wood, metal, ceramic, rubber, paper, and more. Using Gorilla Super Glue is simple, but a few tips can go a long way for your next fix. First, clean and dry surfaces you will be bonding. If you're using super glue gel, the next step would be to shake the bottle and tap firmly on the cap. This action positions the glue to the tip of the bottle, allowing for easy dispensing. With Gorilla Super Glue brush and nozzle, twist off the cap to use the nozzle or unscrew the entire top for the brush. With Micro Precise, to dispense, squeeze the sides of the applicator. The harder you squeeze, the more glue will dispense. With Super Glue Pen, to dispense glue, press the orange button. The harder you push, the more glue will dispense. When applying any Gorilla Super Glue, remember that you only need a small amount on one surface. We recommend 1 drop per square inch. Too much glue can actually cause a weakened bond. Press the two surfaces together firmly for about 10 to 45 seconds. For a full cure, allow the bond to remain undisturbed for 24 hours. Set time can vary based off the amount of glue and the type of surface glued. Once you are done with a project, cleanup is simple. Wipe off the nozzle or brush with a dry rag and replace the cap. Store in a cool, dry place where it is easily accessible for all your fixes. Thanks for watching. Check back for more Gorilla Tough tips and other project ideas.